Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel once again. And one of the viewers who have seen the ASG Bluetooth 5 review, they wanted me to do one more video as to how do we connect the phone, the KTM bike, and your ASG 5. So it's very simple. Your phone should have the Bluetooth 4.0 and आप अपने Bluetooth के ऑप्शन में जाके Bluetooth on करें and you will see two options. The Duke will connect instantly, which is the KTM Duke A327. Your device should be on, which this is on right now, and just click on this, connecting, and it's connected. So it will show as connected for call and media, and this will be connected for just phone audio. That means you can just receive calls on this and attend calls and hang up. Meanwhile, this will be for all the calls and the media as well. You can disconnect it just by clicking on it and connect it again just by clicking on it. So it's very simple. And if you want to change any settings, so if you want to change any settings, go to this, just phone audio or media audio, select any one of it, go over here, just phone audio or text input, select and deselect, and you're done. This is how you connect. It's a very simple process. And over here in your KTM Duke, you will see the phone signal. Right now I don't have a signal because I am in basement. We'll see the battery over here, and this will blink, and you can easily play music as well. So let me play some music for you. So the music is actually playing, but you won't be able to hear it because of, yeah, that's it. And if you want to change any, the music is playing, and if you want to change any music, keep it in the auto selector 1. I select it and I go to the audio controls. So this song is being played right now, and अगर आपको song change करना है तो just press this. See, the song gets changed. Okay, I'm pressing the key over here, and आप phone में ध्यान दीजिएगा, ये change हो गया. Previous, next. You wanna pause it? Song is paused. Play it. If you have to receive any phone calls using the Bluetooth, you can, but you have to receive the phone call by pressing this button over here if the phone call comes, and disconnect by pressing this. So that's it. Thank you once again. Give it a like and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.